On the 5th of July 2024, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visited the flood-stricken areas of Silkata, Haripur and Namabila in West Garo Hills. He was joined by Selsella MLA Arbinstone Marak. Approximately 30,000 families have been impacted by the floods and have been relocated to shelters. During his visit, Conrad Sangma emphasized that the state administration has been instructed to provide all necessary assistance and relief to the affected families. Additionally, he stressed the importance of preparation for similar situations in the future.
Yeah, we have come here towards the plain belt area of Garo Hills, mainly in Silkata area, Namabila, Haripur, and all across. As we know that there's a lot of flood right now, and the water levels are almost over 5 to 6 feet up above normal. And as per the estimates that I have received, close to about 30,000 families have been affected in the whole belt out here. So we are right now in the Silkata region. We have seen, as you can also see visually, that's quite a bad situation, and the administration has very quickly moved into action. I must appreciate that and mention it. And they have provided general relief to the citizens who are affected and the houses affected. They have also provided shelter and safety, and there has been no loss of life till now. So all the citizens have been evacuated and put into shelter homes in safe places, and we will wait and see how things go. And wherever there is any kind of danger or any kind of situation where we find that anybody could be affected, we are on alert, and we'll ensure that the individuals are shifted out quickly from there and brought into safety. So we'll continue to monitor the situation, but as I said, this is a natural calamity, and as I said, all the support required from the government and from the administration is being provided to the affected families.